natural makeup with proper contouring. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a very basic natural summer look because those are the kind of looks I really do. I know some of my makeup seems to look similar, but then for daily makeup, that's what I do. So I'm just being honest with what I do. So today we'll do something which is natural, summery, glamorous with some good contouring. I'm going to take the Bobbi Brown Vitamin E face base. It's good for moisturizing. I've been using this regularly. There are a few more things I've been using, but I will share them soon. But right now I am so happy with this that I do not feel like trying something else. And when you use a powder-based foundation, it's always good to moisturize. Also, sorry about this noise in the background. I was trying to film with the AC off, but my camera is getting hot and my makeup is melting. So please excuse the sound in the background. That's the AC. But I'm wearing the lapel so that I'm clear. I'm taking my Studio Fix and I'm just gonna mattify the top of my eyes. Now, you'll see me using, these neutral kind of shades like this, etc. On my upper eyelid. It is mainly because I'm actually contouring it. So, it's not just eyeshadow, it's kind of giving a definition to the top of my eyes where the bone structure comes out. That's how it works. And I'm going to take my favorite brush, as usual, PAC 204. And I'm using the Too Faced Palm Springs Dreams palette. And I'm going to use the shade called Saucy and Bossy. I'm going to put this on my upper eyelid till my crease line. Today we are going to literally contour the whole face, and that itself will be our natural makeup. That it won't look overdone, yet it's going to bring out our features. You can do this for work as well. I would do this makeup anywhere because natural makeup is my favorite. This brush just makes life so easy. Okay, now that I've done the upper eyelid eyeshadow, I'm going to use my concealer. I'm using the MAC Studio Fix 24-hour concealer. And I'm going to just use it wherever I need to. Just the redness and the little patches. I call it spot concealing. Then I'm going to take my favorite concealer brush, which is by Smashbox, and I'm going to just blend it out. I got a lot of messages regarding the makeup I had done in Dubai. I'm going to do a video with that very soon. It was a good one. Even I was happy with myself. Now I'm going to take my Studio Fix again, and any powder brush that is convenient for you. Just put it out there to even your skin. Okay, now whatever is left on my eyeshadow brush from that previous eyeshadow, I'm going to just put it here. Sometimes you don't need to take extra product. You get the best look from whatever is left on the brush. Now, I'm going to take a darker brown. I'm going to take the eyeshadow 0210 and any kind of a flat smudge brush like this. And I'm going to line my lower outer lash line. Because it's a natural look, I just want some shading. I don't want any harsh lines. Well, honestly, that's my style. So if you like that, then this is the right channel. If not, wrong number. Eyeshadow, if used correctly, is not only more effective, but much easier than using any kind of eyeliner, pencil or liquid. See? Lined. I'm not going to line any further. I'm going to go straight in with the mascara. I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics BADgal Bang Bang Mascara, which is amazing. Mascara done. Then I'm going to freeze my eyebrow. Filling out and lining my lips with a nude lip liner. Always. Considering it's natural, we'll keep it all natural. I'm going to then line it with the lip liner Plum by MAC, which goes with everything. The lipstick I'm going to use is by Color Bar. It's from the Matte Me As I Am range, lip color Stunt 006. It's really nice. In fact, it's one of the best nude shades I have come across. Now a little bit of contouring. I'm going to use the Where's My NYX palette. Hello NYX, where are you? I'm going to contour with this palette. And I'm using the PAC 261 brush because again it is soft and I like using it, though most people don't use this for contouring. I love it. I'm going to take a pale shade because it's a natural look. Under the cheekbone. Jawline. And on your temple. Same on this side. See the difference now? Contouring is so important. Is that easy? Now we'll quickly use a blush. Let's see which one we'll use. We'll use, what's near me? Pinch Me by MAC. Use any basic blush on blush. Blush on goes on top of the contouring. So basically, contour, then blush, and the highlighter will come here. Let me show you how. I'm using my favorite DIOR one. I'll take all the colors. I love it. And then you put it here. So basically your contour is here, your blush is here, and your highlighter comes here. Then some on your temple. And some on your nosy. Guess what? Makeup is done. Now tell me, easy or not? Why layer so much when you can get it this quickly? I like my new camera. I can zoom in and show you better. Visible? Now tell me, is liquid foundation always required? You don't have to layer your face up. Of course, unless you have a skin issue that you need to cover stuff, the lesser the makeup, the better the look. Okay, let me make it wide again. I love playing with this remote. So anyway, I hope you like this look and you find it easy, and you please try it. You don't have to use the same products that I use. Follow the shades, follow the shape of the brushes, get the hang of where what goes. That is my intention, not to constantly promote something that I like. I keep liking different things. Easy makeup, natural makeup, glam makeup. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Natural makeup with proper contouring.